A computer don't understand programming languages directly. Computer doesn't know our system.out.println. The only thing it knows is 0 and 1. Do we need to convert it? No. Java compiler does this. Compiler converts our statement into machine language or bytecode. To execute our program, we need JDK, JRE, compiler, class loader, bytecode verifier, JIT compiler. Let's discuss what are these and where do we get this. Java Development Kit or JDK contains all these things. We have installed JDK to a computer previously. JDK contains certain development tools, Java Runtime Environment or JRE. Development tools like Java Compiler, and JRE contains Java Virtual Machine or JVM, where our execution of program starts. Let's discuss the flow. Whatever we have written in .java file, that is converted into .class file by using compiler. If there are any syntax errors, then compiler won't compile them and it shows error. So compiler also checks for syntax error. We have created .java file for our Hello Programmer code, right? .class file is automatically created by compiler and we can see them in .bin folder. This .class file is loaded into JVM with the help of class loader. Bytecode verifier checks if the code contains any illegal code. Interpreter converts Java bytecode into code that can be understood by the operating system. Depending on the scenario, interpreter or JIT compiler invokes. Both do the same job, but difference is interpreter converts line by line, whereas in JIT compiler it converts all at a time. Let me summarize everything. Code written by us is converted into Java bytecode by using compiler. JVM takes the Java bytecode and with the help of interpreter or JIT compiler, it converts into machine code. And thus our statements are executed in operating system. This .class file created by compiler is platform independent. This file even executes on Mac OS if you are created using Windows also. But the machine code converted by JIT compiler or interpreter is platform dependent. The specialty of Java is it is platform independent so that we need not to compile again if we change the machine.